Backing up data on a Samsung phone is easy with the Samsung account. In this video, we'll show you how to back up and restore your Samsung data step by step, so you can keep your files safe and manage them with ease. Part 1. How to perform Samsung account backup. 1. Set up a Samsung account. Go to Settings Accounts, Samsung account. Sign in or create a new account. If you don't have one. 2. Backup your phone. Open Settings Accounts, Samsung account backup. Select the data you want, then tap Backup Now. Part 2. How to restore Galaxy data from Samsung account. 1. Restore data from Samsung account. Go to Settings Accounts, Samsung account Restore. Select the data you need and tap Restore Now. 2. Confirm. When prompted, tap OK to start restoring. Part 3. FAQs about Samsung account backup. Q1. What can be backed up? Calls, messages, settings, apps, notes, and more. Q2. Photos and videos. No, use OneDrive or other cloud storage. Q3. Backup frequency. Every 24 hours Wi-Fi, charging, screen off. Q4. Is it free? Yes, with limited storage. Q5. WhatsApp or app data. No, use the app's own backup. Q6. Why no Samsung Cloud? Replaced or limited by OneDrive region. Q7. Deleted backup. Can't be restored. Q8. After factory reset. Yes, if backed up before. Part 4. Best alternative way to back up Samsung files. Samsung account backup is convenient, but it supports limited data types. To back up more files, you'll need another solution. For a one-click, full backup on Windows or Mac, we recommend using Mobikin Assistant for Android. 1. Connect to your Samsung. Connect your phone to the computer and launch the program. Enable USB debugging and install the driver if prompted. 2. Open Super Toolkit. Once detected, click Super Toolkit and choose Backup. 3. One click to back up Samsung files. Now you will see a window with several categories. Just check the folders that you want to back up and choose a path to save the files. And then tap on the Backup button to begin transferring the files. 4. Restore the files that you have backed up. If you want to recover the data that you have transferred before, you can select the Restore option in Super Toolkit mode, and simply select the file types you wish to restore in the right panel. Then hit on Restore button to get back your data.